Of course, just some of the latest steps the governor has taken to try and stop the spread. Restrictions, though, started being imposed, you all remember, back in the spring when the goal was to flatten the curve. And now some Rhode Islanders are saying enough.
Right, so there's a group of 10 people claiming that the governor's restrictions are violating the rights of citizens, so they're now suing her. Kate Walsh is joining us live with those details. Kate?
Well, this is a copy of the lawsuit here that was filed, and in it, it says that what the governor is doing is an act of domestic terrorism and a deprivation of rights. The plaintiffs on this case claiming that the Patriot Act is of question here. So the lead plaintiff's name on the document is Peter Chafee Card Jr. of Middletown. 4 others are listed at the same address as him, as well as 1 person from Portsmouth and 4 from Woonsocket. In this lawsuit, they claim the measures the governor has taken during the pandemic are a, quote, deprivation of privacy by being required to get a test for the virus. They said they have to get tested for work, and then claiming they're a victim of fraud because the test is of, quote, doubtful accuracy. The plaintiff also claims the mask wearing requirement denies, quote, air of best quality. Other complaints listed include denial of freedom of assembly because of events that have been canceled due to fear of the virus, they said, including the cancellation of the St. Patrick's Day parade in Newport this past March. The plaintiff also listed missed time and activity at his church and the denied opportunity to minister to assigned members of his church at an assisted living facility. Now, Governor Raimondo, in her briefing yesterday, talked about the challenge of people not complying with state laws.
There's fatigue. There's no doubt about it. There's fatigue. We have been grinding this out for 7 months. The problem is it's a brutal reality, and if you don't follow the rules, bad things happen. More people go to the hospital, more people die, more people lose their jobs.
The group is asking for the court to order a cease and desist on these mandates and requirements, saying in part, quote, your orders and those that follow from these orders issued in violation of the state constitution are illegal and unenforceable. I hereby demand that you immediately cease and desist in your suspension of my constitutional rights and those of the common citizenry. And they're saying that they want a cease and desist of the state of emergency. And according to the Rhode Island Department of Health's website, that state of emergency is currently in effect until November 2nd. Live in Providence this morning, I'm Kate Walsh, 12 News.